So, what's up mga ka-users? So, today, gagawa tayo ng tutorial video kung paano gumawa ng magandang thumbnail. I'm doing this video kasi alam ko kung gaano ka-importante ang magandang thumbnail. Kasi halimbawa, magaganda yung videos nyo, maganda yung content, searchable sa YouTube, kaso marami kang, parehas ng video mo. The only way to stand out is to have a good thumbnail. So, I'm going to share to you how I do my thumbnail so you can also do it on your end. First off is, gusto ko lang ibigay yung mga websites muna. So, may dalawa akong websites kung saan ako nag-e-edit ng pictures. So, first one is this one. This is called the Canva Pro. And I'm going to put all the links below the video so you can click on it and do it on your end as well. So, and nga. So, yan ang first kong thumbnail program. So, ang ginagawa ko dito is naggawa ko ng background and also naglalagay din ako ng mga pictures or objects para sa thumbnail ko. For example, how to make a good thumbnail. So, gagawa tayo ng thumbnail. So, halimbawa, ayan, may background siya. Pag click mo dito, may backgrounds siya na pwede kung hindi ka makaisip ng background na gusto mo, you can just pick here. So, for example, I pick this and I pick a cutout picture. So, that's also one thing I want to share to you later. So, keep on watching this video para malaman mo kung paano gumawa ng mga cutout pictures with border, borderline, yan, yellow or white. So, I'm gonna show that later on. But for now, let's just pick one cutout picture. So, gumawa na ako niyan. So, pipick ko tong isa. And I'm gonna put it here. So, you just have to drag it. And, yes, there you go. And, you can also put other objects, like, nag-add ka na ng picture dito, diba? By uploading an image. Pwede ka pang mag-add pa. So, for example, i-click mo lang isang beses. So, for example, ilalagay ko din yung Facebook icon. And YouTube icon. Ay. Okay. Didelete ko muna. Wait lang. Ayan. Kasi yung isa crop eh. So, yan. So, liitan lang muna natin. So, ayun. So, you can put objects just one click and it's gonna go to the picture. Tapos, next, by the way, if your object is like, kung gusto mo na walang background yung object mo, i-type mo lang sa Google, halimbawa, yung logo ng Jollibee. So, lalagay mo, Jollibee transparent, Jollibee logo, transparent background. Para wala siyang background. So, i-click mo yung images para makita mo kung transparent talaga siya. So, I put some objects there. Also, you can already put text here too. Okay, so there are some formats you can use. But, I actually don't prefer to use the text here in Canva Pro. Kasi, it's very general kind of, kind of font. So, I actually, ang next kong gagawin is, kapag okay na, nalagay ko na lahat ng gusto ko ilagay. For example, yan na nga. Meron pala ako dito na Yung may transparent background. Ito. Ayan o. Basta pag dinownload nyo, makikita nyo, pag in-insert nyo, wala siyang background. So, ayan. For example, lalagay ko lang yan dyan. Tapos, i-download ko na. Ayan. So, make sure nyo lang na hindi siya 2 pages. Kasi, pwede siyang, tinan nyo, pwede siyang mag-add ng page. So, dapat isang page lang. Tapos, i-download nyo and you click on download. Tapos, wait nyo lang yan. So, these are free programs. 2 websites na nag-edit ako ng thumbnail are both free. So, I'm gonna close this and it already downloaded. So, pupunta na tayo sa next website natin, which is Adobe Sparks. So, sa Adobe Sparks, maglalagin lang kayo using Facebook or Google, tapos ito na yung screen. So, start from scratch, graphic, tapos pipiliin nyo YouTube thumbnail. So, pwede rin kayong gumawa ng iba dyan eh. Actually, this is also a very good program by Adobe. So, I'm gonna select the one that we edited earlier. So, this one. I'm gonna click on next. And it's just loading. Pero, ayun nga, I actually use 2 websites and 1 app on my phone to cut out pictures. So, maybe there's an easy way to do it in the computer to cut out pictures, pero I just feel that it's much simpler for me to do that in the phone and then just transfer the file to the computer and edit it here in the website. So, ayun nga. So, here, we have we just remove this because we can always remove this. And just close this one. Ayan nga. So, ito na. So, i-click ko to. So, lalagay ko lang kung how to make a good thumbnail. So, there. I put that in. And what's actually good about this font in Adobe is that it can select its own style. So, for example, yan, ayaw mo yan. Kung ito yung gusto ko. Kung yan. And kung gusto ko lang na medyo makita yung font, papalitan ko yung color sa color. Tapos, i-click ko yung, yan. Usually, ganyan yung laman nung thumbnail ko. Yellow and black. And if you want to edit some effects like shadow, you can do it here as well. So yan. Yan. Shadow and outline gusto ko. Tapos shape, kung ayaw nyo nung lines lang, you can put circle or ganyan. But I always prefer this para basang-basa ng mga gustong mag-view ng video mo yung thumbnail. So yan, that's how I do it. That's how I do the thumbnail. So you just click on download and you start downloading the thumbnail. So it's pretty easy, right? And there are other effects you can do here in Adobe. So yan, you can add text, photo, icon, and logo. Pero yung Canva Pro, mas marami kang pwedeng gawin. So you can actually even have templates pagka medyo nawawala ka, di mo maintindihan yung kung paano mag-edit. Then you can use that. You can use this, pictures, sample pictures, some elements to put in, and yun nga, backgrounds, text. So you can use either Canva Pro or the Adobe Sparks, whichever you prefer. But I use every app that I can use and program para maging maganda yung thumbnail. So next is how do I cut the picture. So alam ko na meron din sigurong program na pwede i-download sa computer, but I actually find it much simpler to use the PixArt. So I'm going to show you how I do it in PixArt.
Okay, so first, how to cut out pictures on your phone. You have to download PixArt on Google Play Store, and then once it's already installed, open it. And once you have this screen, or you have your app open, you click on the add on the bottom of the screen, and you choose what picture you want to cut out. So for example, for me, I pick one picture here from my camera album. Yun. So yun pinili ko. And you just have to click on cut out. There is an option to click on cut out, and you just have to like yun nga, ano yun ang parang i-trace nyo, tapos click on check on the top, and the red part is the one that's gonna be cut out. So you have to be very careful with it, or like i-trace nyo mabuti para walang mga sumabit na kung ano dyan. So yan, katulad yan, ang inuna ko is to lagyan ng red lahat ng part, tapos i-erase yung kailangan i-erase. So pwede nyo siyang i-zoom in para maliit lang yung na-erase niya. Tapos, yun nga, i-trace nyo siya mabuti, i-zoom nyo, i-zoom in nyo, or i-zoom out nyo para mabilis yung ma-cut out yung picture. So once you're already done, you just have to, okay, I'm still tracing this, okay, yan, trace ko talaga siya para hindi madumi tingnan. So yan, mga ganyan, medyo importante yung mga ganyan maliit na bagay. Kaya pa-importante yung kahit maliit man nagawa niya para sa iyo, pahalagaan mo pa rin. Charot. So, yan. So, okay na. So, ayan. Yung buong katawan ko lang meron. You should click on save. And ikakat niyo yung picture at wala kang magiging background. Basically, this is like a sticker. So, parang yung sinabi ko kanina, parang sa Google, pag sinearch mo to, transparent background. So, yan. Pwede mo rin siyang lagyan ng border. So, you just click on border below the menu or where the options are. Tapos, pumili ka ng color na gusto mo. So, border is also very good para i-highlight yung pagka-sticker ng picture mo. And then, you click on save. And there you are. You're done with the cutout picture. Pwede mong gamitin para sa thumbnail. So, hindi lang siya para sa tao. You can also cut out some objects, or basically any types of pictures that you want, and you just have to trace it. So, yan. Ayan. So, next is, pwede nyo rin gamitin tong PixArt to really do YouTube thumbnail. So, okay, so, for example, gusto ko ng Mobile Legend na background. So, make sure mo lang na i-crop to as a YouTube thumbnail. Ayan. So, just click on crop and select YouTube thumbnail. And then you just add photo, and you put your cutout sticker or cutout picture to the selected picture. And, ayan nga. So, parang katulad din siya ng ginawa natin sa computer. And then we can put in a text, so add text, how to make a good thumbnail. Yan, mali pa ng spelling. Yun. So, yan. And I wanna make it large. So, click ko lang yung arrow sa baba. And ipapaste mo lang siya. Tsaka kailangan mo rin palitan yung color para kitang-kita siya sa pagka tinignan sa YouTube. So usually, ang pinaka-kitang-kita is yellow, black, red, or anything na parang very light color. So, ayan. So, yeah, how to make a good thumbnail. So, pipili lang ako ng color na gusto ko. So, black and white usually. And i-gusto ko lang po siya kung saan ko siya gusto ilagay. And ayan. So, pwede ko pa mag-edit ng katulad ng nakikita mo sa Adobe Sparks na pang format ng font. And then, next is if you want to add objects, same as sa computer, add photo pa rin yun. So, or add stickers like this. You can add stickers like this. But if you want something, specific, we can look for it on Google. And there you go. So you can also use this if you don't want to use your computer. You can just use your phone to edit your thumbnail and just click on save. So that's pretty much it for today.